Hey, there's Mike. Get out the house, go fish. He's right in front of me. He has no idea I'm behind him right now. I'm just gonna follow him and hopefully he lets me get on his boat and we can go fishing today. I'm basically just gonna pirate his ship. I'm just gonna jump on and say, Mike, let's go. I'm just kidding, he knows I'm coming. I almost wanna get out of my car right now since we're at a red light and just run up and scare the crap out of Mike. Get out the house, go fish. I'm gonna see if, once we get to the boat ramp, I was gonna let him know I was behind him the whole time, but this is pretty funny. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is a fun day. I'm meeting up with Get Out the House, Go Fish, Mike Bennett. We fished a few times together, and today it just happens to be 47 degrees in the morning. It is cold, but we're hoping since the water temp is about 68, it should be fine. Fishing should be fine. The Vilano Beach boat ramp, it's probably the busiest boat ramp I've ever seen in 47 degree weather. It is spring break, so these people do not care. Mike's pulling up now. Beautiful morning. Let's get out the house and go fish with Mike Bennett. Good morning.
Morning. Let's go fish.
Let's go fish. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough eat right here for a minute. We got dolphin in here feeding. This is a great fishing hole though. Ooh. Told you. Yeah. Told you right where the sun was.
Oh, my phone.
First fish of the morning, guys. Let's see if I can get him in.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a blue. He's jumping. He's jumping. I'm pretending it's the tarpon. I'm dreaming. Oh, he broke off. Oh. Well, I was having fun. It was my fault. I was having fun. I could have got him in real easy. I was just having fun. Gotta get him out of the pylon. Oh. He's wrapping me around the pylon. He's wrapping me around the pylon here. Just gotta get him out. Let's take my time. Watch this net. Slow him down. Yep, just a hair. Yeah, he's just caught up in this pylon. I gotta get closer to it. I'm trying to horse him out, but he's fighting me around this pylon. I'm not letting him go. There we go, he's out. He's out. You got this net ready? It's a big red. Yeah, I need this net. Big old redfish. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, man. That's it.
Keep his head up. Head up, boom. Woo. Hey, yes, sir. Get out the house, go fish. All right.
Yeah. All right. Let me go. Come out there and so you can measure them.
All right.
Yes. Heck yeah.
There we go. Get this hook out. Oh, of course I don't have my pliers on.
Need some pliers? I got some. Here. It's a little over 29 there.
There we go, got him out. Let's get a nice revive going. Well, that's my PB so far, 29.
29?
Yeah. There we go. We got a revive. There we go.
Where'd you catch him on, Mike?
That was a slam shady paddle tail. Yep, there you go. See you later. Oh, just caught my PB redfish. It was about 29 inch. What do you say, 29?
Yeah, it was a little over 29. Like
Over 29.
Yeah.
Man, here we go. Get out the house, go fish. Mike Bennett up there.
Ooh, I'm just trying to catch a fish out here.
Come on, man, catch fish.
Hit the shrimp. Something hit the shrimp.
On my left-handed setup. I'm not left-handed. I am not left-handed.
Welcome to Get Out the House, Go Fish Charters.
Yeah. Thanks, Mike, for putting us on the fish. Oh, that's a good size red, guys. This is a good size red. Mike, you want to take this?
Red, y'all.
I'm gonna let him swim it out for a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna walk up here.
Oh, it is another good red, y'all. Just turn the head at the last minute. There you go.
Woo. Boom, got him.
Yeah. Get out the house, go fish.
Woo.
Oh yeah. Oh look, he's barely got him too.
Yeah, that's on a shrimp. I got him on a shrimp on that one. Set this down.
Oh, God, there he is.
Yeah. We got everything all going. Check it.
Yeah. Right below you. I'm leaving the process here.
That was on a live shrimp on a Carolina rig, size 2 Mutu hook. Is that on? It's on.
Yeah, it's on.
All right, we're gonna get them measured up.
How we got? 12 inch.
We're going 28.
Right at 28.
Right at 28.
Going for the release.
Last one.
There you go. All right, Mike.
Mike comes down to St Augustine. He's like, I'm gonna catch me a red. He puts me on the redfish. All right, you're next.
Oh yeah.
He's next. You're next. Let's do this. Get out the house, go fish,
Yes.
man.
Yes.
We could not do it without your boat, though. That's for true.
Coming off that time. That's a good trout.
Hey, get it in the boat.
Get him in the boat. Oh yeah.
He's in the boat. Check out Mike's channel for his catch. We caught some good fish at that spot. Mike and I are gonna shoot down.
Well, at least he did. He did.
He put me on some good fish. We're gonna move to the jetties and try to get Mike on some big fish. Let's go.
All right.
Woo.
Punch it. You're just talking about jacks.
Talking about jacks. Sit down. We're rocking the boat. Yeah, we were just talking about these jacks right here. Check this out.
Nice. Nice.
Well, when you gotta use your pliers, you gotta use your pliers. All right, here we go.
Still in there?
Yeah.
What it is?
I had a crazy wind knot, so I had to cut my line and hand line this fish in. I have a Jack Crevalle on the line. Hand line that guy. That's pretty cool, huh? Hey!
The hand jive lining.
Yeah. Man, that was insane. Freaking wind knot got me.
Ah, I got my shrimp.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah,
the old hand line. Well, guys, thanks a lot for coming on that journey with us. We went a couple spots, creek fishing, jetty fishing, dock fishing. This is a great boat, this Mako Pro skiff. I love it. Mike, get out of the house and go fish. Check out his channel, linked right here. And also, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, St Augustine Sandman. And guys, those are some awesome redfish we caught this morning. Got a cool keeper mangrove snapper, got a speckled trout. Those dudes are in the box. Yep, they're going home for dinner. Mike's gonna cook those guys up. Guys, keep it reeling. We'll see you next time.
Sail away, sail away.